Hey guys, good morning. A little news. It's a Monday morning. I think it is about the 19th of July 2021, and I think we'll update you once a week just on what's going on. As you know, we are looking at the pandemic, hopefully in the rearview mirror. However, we are kind of paying the price of the consequences, and I don't mean just at the gas pump, but as far as supplies go. We are short on items. Luckily, we had a lot of inventory, changer inventory, Coimex, validators, bill changer inventory in stock. However, we still run out of things. Today I was told a couple of three different items that are pretty popular are still on back orders. So the good news is I have Evolution hoppers coming in from the factory, and these are rebuilt at American Changer. And looks like these might be something that will be available for a while. I asked for an inventory count just to make sure it wasn't, 12, and they said they had plenty, so we ordered a couple of dozen. And these will be CC Talk. Unfortunately, they are none available for Pulse. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to give you a little tour on some stuff, but this machine here I'm about to show you has those exact hoppers in it, and by doing this we can offer some of these rebuilt units for a little bit of a savings, probably a couple $100 less than if we put brand new second generation green stripes in. This is the one I was going to show you this morning. This is a AC2001 MEI Evolutions universal board. This is completely rebuilt. We do these ourselves. New decal. I mean, if your outfit, your location needs a change machine, save a little money here. This is about 60% of the original cost. I'll have a link down below to where you can go right in our website and see this with pricing, etc. You can also, depending on your needs, keep in mind one hopper holds $500 in quarters. With a hopper extension, if you buy those at the time you buy the machine, we sell you those at cost, which is about $75. We'll increase your capacity per hopper to about $700 or $750, depending on if you're running tokens or not. So let me give you a little, we have money in here. I'm going to give you a little demonstration here while we're on this end of the shop. Alright, so we got this guy done this morning. Let's see if I can catch the coins as they come out. Let's see, are we on? No. Okay, powering up. We will hear the validator cycle here shortly. And no errors. If something was wrong with a hopper, it would say hopper error. If by chance the validator wasn't connected, it would say validator error. But this is ready to go. So, should get 4 coins, 2 per side. Alright. As you see, we're testing with nickels because they disappear slower than quarters here at the shop. So anyways, guys, if you have any interest in a 2001 with either one hopper or two, with just one hopper you can start there and save about $300. So there you have it. Let me take you around the other side here. We have the sister to the one I just showed you. This is an AC2002, pardon me. What they call is ultra high security. We're missing a T-handle on the top there, but as you can see, the door doesn't wrap around. It recesses. So pretty hard to get a tool in there when this is snugged shut to pry them open. It's very tough. So anyways, this is a great machine if you do not have the provision to go through the wall, such as at your wash, whether it be a self-serve car wash or a laundromat facility. We always encourage rear loads, but they're tough to find in the secondary market because we find that once they go in the wall, they pretty much stay there till the building comes down. So anyways, guys, high security models, much harder to find. We still have some other 2001s, like the one I just showed you on the bench there. We can also build these with the brand new green stripe hoppers once we get some. We are currently on back order right now, but that'll change. And guys, we appreciate your support. Doug at Doug's World Tour. Vending playlist out.